This is YouTube News. It in hashtag X27, S in quote, mega, and quote, for the markets. Microsoft, Amazon, Google parent Alphabet and Apple are soaring this year, making up a combined market value of nearly $4 trillion. That exceeds the combined value of half of the S&P 500 companies. But the title of, quote, greatest, quote, can only be bestowed upon one name. And quote, Amazon to me is really the best of the four, and quote, Newton Advisors and hashtag X27. Mark Newton said Thursday on CNBC and hashtag X27, S and quote, Trading Nation, and quote, it in hashtag X27, S had a huge trajectory over the last 10 years. It has done a lot better than some of these other stocks and still maintains, very attractive technicals, and quote. The stock rose 1.5% in early trading Friday, after the e-commerce company beat first quarter profit forecasts by a wide margin and posted 17% in revenue growth. Amazon also predicted a 13% to 20% increase in second quarter sales, although the company and hashtag X27's operating profit guidance did fall short of analyst estimates. Shares of the tech giant have already rallied nearly 50% since their steep slide at the end of 2018. But the stock still hangs, and hashtag X27 T regained its September 2018 $2,050 all-time high, which Newton says means there in hashtag X27's still opportunity in the name. And quote, I think it does get back to former highs. It might stall out briefly, but it would be one of the four that I still like. And I think the group still does fine in the weeks and months to come, end quote. He added. Strategic Wealth Partners and hashtag X27, Mark Tepper agrees that Amazon looks good on a fundamental basis. He believes the valuation is compelling, and that growth from higher margin businesses will continue to drive the stock higher. End quote. All four great companies, end quote, he said of the mega basket of stocks, end quote. But the one that in hashtag X27's most attractive to me is Amazon. They haven and hashtag X27 T seen that recent run-up in price that the other stocks have. And it in hashtag X27's quite simply way undervalued, end quote. Amazon currently trades at 143 times forward earnings, making it more expensive than Microsoft, Alphabet and Apple, which trade at 114, 56 and 85 times forward earnings, respectively. Tepper likes the Seattle-based company, and hashtag X27's diversified revenue streams, especially the growth of its AWS cloud services business. End quote. We love the three pillars of their business. Obviously you have retail, cloud, and advertising, and Amazon has AWS. They are the dominant player. They and hashtag X27 number one in the cloud space. They have been growing that business at over 40% annually. And then we shift over to their other high-margin business, which is the ad business. They and hashtag X27 re-swiping ad dollars from Google and Facebook, end quote. He said. With growth and momentum behind Amazon, Tepper believes it will soon take out the $2,250 level. The stock has gained about 27% this year, and was trading around $1,912 on Thursday. Another of the mega trade, Microsoft, soared to a new all-time high on Thursday, topping the $1 trillion mark, after the company beat top and bottom line estimates, helped by cloud revenue and software subscription growth. But Newton believes the stock and hashtag X27's record rally may have gotten ahead of itself. He thinks there could still be some opportunity in the near term, but that the stock looks overbought and has gotten, end quote, very stretched. End quote. He prefers Amazon since it and hashtag X27's still trading below it, and hashtag X27's all-time high. Disclosure, Mark Newton, Mark Tepper and Strategic Wealth Partners own shares of Amazon. YouTube News.